petition, attempt number 1.
This is that matter, Mr.
Yes.
Gogoi.
But that
Refund of
my,
the,
my record is awaited, madam. Can you pay any day?
all right. When?
My any day convenience because this is not a regular bench otherwise. Any day.
Mr. B. Gogoi Leonard Standing Council PWD seeks further time to produce the records as called for earlier by this court on 22/11/2024. Stop prayer is allowed. List this matter again after
After 7 days or my lord.
after 10 days
10 days.
on a date to be fixed by the registry as part heard.
Problem.
I did not fix a particular date because
Yes,
you know that I'm otherwise sitting in a division bench.
Problem.
Yes.
This review petition has been filed.
What is the error apparent?
What?
What is the error apparent?
My lord, they have not actual fact of the case has not been placed, my lord.
Hmm?
Actual facts of
Review is not for a rehearing. What is the order?
my lord,
Which order you want review?
5437 of 2023, my lord.
Page,
Page 69,
page 69.
my lord.
Who is appearing for the other side? Page 69.
Yes,
Yes,
second paragraph, my lord, in the order,
yes.
they have enclosed order code, my lord, 2791 2009. My lord, in 2791,
You are for?
my lord, PWD.
You are for
Chief Engineer.
PWD.
Yeah.
Then no notice has to be issued.
My lord,
But what, according to you, what is the error?
payment already received, my lord. They have manufactured a new work order.
Heard MSM thus, this review is directed against the judgment and order dated 26/2024, passed in WPC 5437 of 2023, issue notice, returnable 2 weeks, steps by registered post AD within a period of 1 week from today, list after returnable date.
Deeply obliged, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Das, this is that
Review.
matter you mentioned.
Yes.
It could not be listed. I was told there was some defect.
Defective.
Anyway,
Hello, we are agreed persons who are not made parties in the writ petition.
you are not made
Not
party.
made parties in the writ petition, and we are in possession of the premises since 2016. We have given my
So
lord.
you have filed a review, but you are not a party to the
We are not-
original writ petition.
Your lordship will kindly see.
Then how is this review maintainable, Mr. Das? I'm
Agreed
sorry.
person.
Huh?
We are agreed person.
You're aggrieved, I understand, but this is a review.
Yes. We are
Review,
not made parties.
review is only if there is an error apparent. You could have challenged that in by way of an appeal, Mr.
We are not,
Das.
my lord, your lordship knows this is a
But
procedure of law.
Mr. Das, the review powers are limited, correct?
Yes.
This court will exercise the power of
Yes,
review
sir.
only if there is an error apparent on the face.
No, error apparent on the face, that is on the face of it, it is there. But we are agreed persons, we are not made parties. So what
Understood.
the procedure is, my lord, we are to seek leave before the court. So we have filed an application for seeking leave. So that leave application has to be allowed because we are not made parties and we are agreed.
This is for leave,
Yes,
but this leave you want in the review petition.
yes, because we'll have to, we are not parties, so we'll have to seek review.
Mr. Das, I'm sorry, but I am having some difficulty in reservation in the prayer that you are making
No,
because
I just-
ultimately you are seeking review, correct?
Yes,
Now, in that review, your ground is that because you are not made a party. Is that the ground on which you are
Agreed.
seeking
We are
review?
agreed parties. we are
Correct,
not
correct.
part,
So
we are
that
not
is the
made
ground
parties.
on which you want the order
Yes.
of this court to be reviewed.
Yes, and page 59, your lordship will kindly see.
But then is that a ground for review?
Yes.
Where is Lily Thomas? Are you
Page-
carrying Lily
Page
Thomas?
59, your lordship will kindly see the order passed by your lordship. Page
Yes.
59
Page 59 of
Right.
where?
of your lordship's order.
No, there is no 59 in the eye that I'm holding.
In a review.
In the
In the review.
review file to the. But otherwise, this order is also annexed here.
Yes, sir. Page 19.
Page,
19.
you want to
Yeah.
show from which page? Page 19? 19, the
Page-
order starts. Tell me which paragraph?
Paragraph, my lord, this is paragraph 6. Council submits that in view of the encroachment by several shopkeepers in the subject allotted space, this space could not be allotted to the petition.
All right.
That encroachers, my lord, your lordship will kindly see that in the review petition,
Hmm.
we are not encroachers, we are giving them rent.
No, but you said you are not even a party.
We are not even a party. So in view of this, your lordship directed you ask them. This is a misrepresentation before the court.
But because assuming you are correct, Mr.
Yes.
Das, if it's a misrepresentation, then how is the order of this court bad? Because this court has given the order on the basis
My
of
lord,
the
day
representation.
in and day
What
out,
is the error apparent?
error apparent on the face of
That,
the
this
record?
this
because
is on
we
the
have
basis
agreed
of
part-
this is on the basis of the submission of Mr. R.M. Das.
Yes,
Now,
yes,
if this submission is not correct,
Yes.
you come by way of an appeal and you show that this is not correct.
my lord,
How
this
come
is-
a review is?
they-
Are you carrying Lily Thomas? Can you please, Mr. Goswami? Can you find it out? Lily Thomas, 2000, I think.
My lord, your lordship will kindly see this division bench judgment of Himachal Pradesh and also
No,
Supreme
no,
Court.
why should I see Himachal Pradesh, Mr. for review? Powers of review.
Yes.
Lily Thomas
And
giving.
and the Supreme Court judgment 2019-18.
Powers of review are
This is
well
a day
settled.
in and day out, my lord, we have been filing review petition
No, no.
when we are not heard in the matter. This is a case where we are agreed party, but we are not heard in them.
This is of Himachal Pradesh.
Yes, the leave, concept of leave is there. Paragraph 2. The moot question is whether the leave can be granted to the review petitioners in the given circumstances. It is a beaten law of the land that if a person is affected by an order, judgment or interim directions of the court, who is not party to the lease or was not party to the lease, can seek leave to file review, provided he is adversely affected. We are adversely affected by the order.
That you have shown.
We are adversely means badly affected, my lord. We have been
Mr.
running
Das,
the shops.
I
shop
do
premises.
not have any
Yes,
reservation in that part of your submission. I
Yes.
understand that you are paying
Agreed.
you are not a encroacher. This is what,
Then,
correct.
sir, then if
Ah.
they have some
That
difficulty-
I have understood.
Yeah. That they have misled before this court without making any parties and saying that some notice has been issued for allotment of the shop. We are not even.
What do you say?
Lordship, at present, they are not giving any rent, Lordship. You're not,
That they will decide, my lord. They will have to give page 65, your lordship will kindly see.
To date is the first day. You file your objection then.
yes, Lord.
Yes.
Heard Mr. B.D. Das, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by
J. Lotha.
Mr. J.
Lotha.
Lotha, Learned Counsel for the applicant. Stop. Also heard Mr. R.M. Das,
She Sharma, Lordship.
Mr. C. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel,
No, Lordship. I am appearing on behalf of Mr. Ramdas.
Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. R.M. Das, Learned
Respondent number 327.
Learned Counsel appearing for respondent number
327.
327,
ASTC, Lordship.
within bracket AI,
ASTC. Lordship.
AHDC,
ASTC. TC.
TC. And Mr. R.B. Goswami, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Ms. M.D. Bora for respondent number 2. Who is appearing for 1? No, 1 is private.
One is right.
And you are appearing for 3, 4, 5,
4,
right?
5, 6, and 7. Lordship.
So all the remaining. What about 8? District
8.
Commissioner?
Government.
State. Anyone there from state?
I'll give copy.
All right. Issue noted. Oh, no, sorry. This review is directed against the judgment and order dated 29/10/2024 passed by this, sorry, not this review, this application for leave to file review petition is directed against the order dated 29/10/2024 passed in WPC 4555 of 2024. Issue notice returnable 2 weeks. Mr. C. Sharma
Yes, sir.
accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mr. R.B. Goswami accepts for 2. And for state, anybody's name, Mr. Das, I can put it, you inform.
Dipankar not speaking.
And for this, You may not
Can you
need
go back
Mr.
to-
Nath.
Anybody, matlab, okay,
Earlier, who had appeared for state? M. Chetya. M. Chetya.
yes, empty,
M. Chetya for R8. You inform him
yes, I'll,
since extra copies to so and notice by registered post against R1 within a period of 1 week
yes,
from today. List after returnable key 2 weeks कोई slow. List after 2 weeks.
matlab, the effect of the judgment should not be given. My lord, your
How
lordship,
can I give that here?
my lord, your lordship will kindly see
I
page
can make
73.
it, I can make it 1 week.
No, page 73, your lordship will kindly.
First,
72.
you
No,
will
it's
have
just-
to, this court has to give you leave, Mr. Das.
No, your lordship will kindly see page 73.
Sorry, Mr. Das.
Let us-
This is the
If
leave
they are
application.
evicted,
I forwarded that. I don't.
matlab, page
You got it?
73, your lordship
I
will give.
forwarded.
You just give it to
My
him.
lord, your lordship will kindly see page
Mr.
73.
Das, first,
Kindly
let
see
us
page
give you leave. Sorry,
My lord, if they evict us, then what will happen?
you file an independent petition for that then. Because in this case, you'll have, this court has to grant you leave first.
Objected.
Okay.